Students, this is the question of curvature. Here we have to find the radius of curvature of the given curve y is equal to e to the power a x at the point where it crosses the y cell. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर given curve है y is equal to e to the power x. Now we have to find the radius of curvature at the point where it crosses the y cell. जहाँ पर ये कर्व y एक्सिस को कट करता है उस पॉइंट पर इस गिवन कर्व का रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर फाइंड करना है. सो फर्स्ट वी डिफरेंशिएट दिस y इज इक्वल टू e टू द पावर x. सो डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो वी राइट हियर d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of e to the power x. And we know that differentiation of e to the power x with respect to x is e to the power x here. So dy by dx is equal to e to the power x. Now we differentiate again with respect to x here. So we write this as d2y by dx2 is equal to d by dx of e to the power x. And differentiation of e to the power x with respect to x is e to the power x. This is d2y by dx2. Now we find that point at which this given curve crosses the y-axis. Since the given curve 1 crosses the y-axis, so at y-axis x equal to 0. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर गिवन कर्व y इक्वल टू e की पावर x है, इसको डिफरेंशिएट किया गया है x के रिस्पेक्ट में, तो d by dx ऑफ y इक्वल टू d by dx ऑफ e की पावर x होगा. e की पावर x का x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन e की पावर x होता है, इसको अगेन डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे x के रिस्पेक्ट में, तो d2y by dx2 इक्वल टू d by dx ऑफ e की पावर x होगा. e की पावर x का अगेन डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो e की पावर x मिलेगा. सो d2y by dx2 is equal to e की पावर x है. Now we find out that point at which this curve crosses the y-axis. So at y-axis we know that x equal to 0. So we put here this in equation 1. So we get here y is equal to e to the power 0, that is 1. So given curve 1 crosses the y-axis at point 0,1. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर जो गिवन कर्व 1 है वो y एक्सिस को 0,1 पॉइंट पर क्रॉस कर रहा है. नाउ वी फाइंड आउट रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. नाउ वी फाइंड आउट dy by dx and d2y by dx2 at this point. So at 0,1 we find out dy by dx, that is e to the power 0, that is 1, and d2y by dx2 at this point. So d2y by dx2 is equal to e to the power 0. This is also 1. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर 0,1 पॉइंट पर dy by dx और d2y by dx2 की वैल्यू फाइंड की गई है. Now we find radius of curvature for the Cartesian curve. So radius of curvature is 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 divided by d2y by dx2. We know that this is the formula for finding radius of curvature of the Cartesian curve. Now we substitute value of dy by dx and d2y by dx2 in this formula and we get rho is equal to 1 plus 1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by d2y by dx2, that is 1. So this is equal to rho is equal to 1 plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. So this is equal to 2 to the power 3 by 2. So this is equal to 2 root 2. This is the radius of curvature of the given curve y is equal to e to the power x at the point where it crosses the y axis. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर निकालने के लिए कार्टेशियन कर्व का फार्मूला होता है रो इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस dy by dx होल स्क्वायर होल पावर 3 by 2 अपॉन d2y by dx2. So we put here value of dy by dx and d2y by dx2 है. आप देख सकते हैं dy by dx और d2y by dx2 दोनों की वैल्यू 1 है. इसको 1 को यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट किया गया है. 1 का स्क्वायर 1 होगा, 1 plus 1 2 हो जाएगा, तो 2 की पावर 3 by 2. दिस कैन बी written as 2 root 2. So this is the radius of curvature of the given curve where it crosses the y axis. Thank you.